Hello everyone. Today, we will draw a chick going to a party. First we draw the big shapes with a pencil. Start by drawing a grid with 4 squares. This will help us draw everything in the right place. Draw an oval with a zigzag line for the eggshell. 2 curves for the body. Draw the wings. Draw a square for the gift. A curve going into a vertical line for the string. The balloon is an upside-down egg with a little bean at the bottom. Draw 2 ovals for the feet and straight lines for the legs. Draw ovals for the eyes, an oval with a curve for the beak. A half oval for the jacket and 2 triangles for the bow tie. Draw double lines for the ribbons and bow. For the speech bubble, start with a rectangle, round off the sides and add 2 small curves. And our pencil sketch is done. Good job! Now we take a black marker to draw the clean lines and add some details. Draw a thumb feather and a line for the cuffs. Add the inside of the mouth. Add 2 buttons. Make one shape of the legs and feet. Draw a thumb feather and a line for the cuffs. Add some small circles in the air for confetti. Wait a moment for the ink to dry and erase the pencil lines. Now we can color our drawing. Turn this drawing into a birthday card by adding the age in the balloon and a birthday wish in the speech bubble. Please like and subscribe for more fun drawing tutorials.